Hey guys, we are at it again today, or I should say Tony is at it again. He is doing this project independently because this is a small space and he will not need my help doing this project. So what we decided to do, so as you can see, this is kind of like a toilet. I mean, it looks like a closet basically. It's just its own space back here. There's no door or anything, but it's really plain looking. My initial thought was to just put some shelving or like a cabinet, medicine cabinet type deal up behind the toilet. But I don't know. I just thought it would still look too plain with just the kind of gray color. So I decided that I wanted to go ahead with the shiplap look. Initially, I thought about a dark color, but I'm going to go ahead and keep everything light and airy with the white shiplap. And initially, I wasn't going to get shiplap in the house, but I really like the look of the tongue and groove flooring that we put in the loft underneath. You can see the ceiling. It's got kind of a white shiplap look. Oh, here comes Tony right now. Here he comes.
Shiplap delivery.
Yeah. So, oops. Uh-oh. Did you guys hear that? Got a little crash there. I think he's trying to, maybe he does need my help, guys. He needs my help. I just towed a, uh-oh. Let's see. Oh no. His first booby. See what happens when I don't help Tony? Y'all, I said he didn't need my help with this, but I think I'm going to put the video camera down and help him out. All right.
Outside.
I know. He's outside cutting. I heard you down there. Do you want to say anything about the shiplap deal? What is going to be different than this with the tongue and groove that we did for the flooring?
Well, that's a true tongue and groove. This is more of a lap siding.
Okay.
If you can see that how lap siding is, it's kind of tongue and groove.
Yeah. Thin.
It's also thin. Yeah, it's very thin. Yeah. I mean, it's got the same look. So, yeah.
All right. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Yeah.
I gotta get around the where the water line comes out of the wall.
I know.
That's really going to be the only piece.
Behind the toilet, though, it doesn't have to be pretty. Honestly, you're not going to be able to see it. So I think, you know, you can just cut it however you need to cut it to get it around the plumbing and tubing.
Yeah, but as you can see, it's
Yeah.
we have enough room.
Oh,
behind the toilet.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I like that. I think it's going to add a lot of character to that space because it really looks plain right now.
Yeah.
Then we might end up getting some shelving too.
There she goes.
Yay! First piece is in.
So a couple little things I did. I know there's a stud on this side. I know there's a stud in this corner because that's what the drywall attaches to. But what I also did is I drew two lines. I don't know if you can see them. There's two lines here, and that's where I have studs in the wall. So I located those and I drew a line so that I can shoot a nail. I can shoot a nail into the studs. So it gives me 4 nail points. I have no electrical behind it. I have no plumbing behind it. So it's all clear. I think I'm using 1¼ nails, 1¼ brad nails. But going to work my way up. I'm to the point now where I'm definitely going to have to start measuring that angle cut there down to 2 boards, and that's exactly what I got left there. But I had an extra stick downstairs, so I actually have 3, or I can make 2 more. So let me get to measuring this and see how good it comes out. This is the hard part. Well, I'm all done. So it was a really easy project. Only took a couple hours to do. Really makes a good statement in here in the bathroom behind the toilet. Cindy's going to hang some shelves or something in here now, now that she can see the vision. And I think it turned out great. All I got to do is put some caulking in the screw and the nail holes on the trim, because that's the only place I've got exposed nail holes. And also I'll probably put one across the top there at the roof. I'll be using paintable caulk for that, not a silicone, 100% silicone, because 100% silicone is very shiny, like a gloss, and I don't want that look. I just want it to blend in with the shiplap. So other than that, easy project. Anybody can do this, and well, stick around for the next one.
I'm coming to see it.
Oh
no! I'm coming to see it. Oh my gosh, it looks so different. Wow. It looks good. I mean, it's got a totally different look. It looks nothing like it did before. No. Nice job, Tony.
What?
High five.
Onward.
See you guys in the next one. Thank you, Tony. Is that bringing back memories of college days laying on the floor next to the door?